My heart is filled with joy. Did you know that the heart is considered the fire element in Chinese energetic medicine? And did you know that the true expression of a balanced heart qi is joy? Hi, my name is Leah Johnson, and I'm a master of medical qigong. Many people know me for my contagious joyful laughter in laughter yoga, and some know me for my energetic work in medical qigong. I was certified as a Master of Medical Qigong through the International Institute of Medical Qigong, the Hunan University Overseas College, between 2002 and 2004. I have taught many classes in Chinese energetic medicine and in meditation, and I have worked with children, young adults, seniors, and cancer patients. And it is my privilege to share with you a unique course I've created called The Energy of Joy. It's all about the heart. I'm offering it now as a replay throughout the month of April. Here are a few things that you will learn in this special course. Proper standing and breathing technique in Qigong with an inner smile grounding meditation. The energetics of the heart, the pattern, the flow, and the emotions that affect our heart, which can take us in and out of balance. The cost for this course is $27 for a limited time only. You will also learn how to bring more love, more gratitude, and joy in and out of your heart through a special meditation I created. This will help you bring these qualities more into your home and into the world around you. To learn more about this workshop, please email me or send me a WhatsApp message. You may also call me or write me a note if you have any questions about this course. After you've completed this workshop, you will be given the opportunity to join me for weekly classes that will reinforce what you have learned, and it will qualify you to join me in part 2, April 30th. These group classes will run for 4 weeks and meet 3 times a week. No experience in Qigong or laughter yoga is required to view this course. I look forward to meeting you and helping you discover more about your heart energy, your connection with others, and this beautiful world we live in. I also look forward to helping you discover the movement of joy in this wonderful art we call Qigong. See you soon.